All right, fam. I'm Abstract DIY back again. Want to quickly show you my latest build, which is my iMac laptop. I didn't have a better name for it, so that's what I called it. Basically, so back in July of 2021, I purchased a all blue iMac, but I didn't get the traditional one. I wanted one that had the VESA mount to it. I don't pretty not a big fan of that mount that's on there right now. So if you come down here and you're going to buy an iMac, you come down to the VESA mounts, click on Shop Now. Apple will show you the VESA mount options. If you don't really understand what I'm talking about when I say VESA mount, let me just show you real quick. Instead of you getting a traditional stand, all you get on the back of your iMac is this mount right here. So for me, I like it a lot because I feel like it's so many different configurations I can do with it. I actually stop and say for a moment, what I really would prefer, and then Apple would actually just build it for me. When I see the iMac, right, it just looks to me like it's just one big iPad with a very ugly stand on it. So I wish for the life of me that Apple would just sell it in that VESA mount version, right? Sorry if I'm clicking around too much, but if they would just sell it with actually a plain black back to it, no VESA mount, whatever, and it just kind of had that, like the iPad Pro, and I could purchase some type of keyboard that connects to it that slaps on there like it has with the iPad Pro. Hint, hint, Apple, go ahead and build that for me, please. But in the absence of that, I basically had to find another way around it. So that's where I kind of got the idea for my iMac laptop. I just want to say real quick that, of course, I know the MacBook Pros are out, the 14-inch, 16-inch. Love them, think they're great products. But for me, more so than the power itself, what I need and what I want is the screen real estate. So to me, okay, of course, let me again say this again. Yes, I can always buy an external monitor connected to my MacBook Pro, and then from there. But the problem is that literally would be every time I've got to go sit down next to that monitor. My external monitor is downstairs. My best monitor in my house is downstairs in my basement. What happens if I want to be in my living room? What happens if I want to be upstairs? I no longer have what I'm gonna do. Put a monitor in each room? Okay, doesn't sound too great. So what I really want is this great display, the 24-inch, the capabilities. Hey, if they made a 24-inch MacBook Pro, I'm all for it. Sign me up. But right now, I don't think Apple has that on the plans to make. So, and they don't have plans to basically make my iPad Pro, or I should say, the iMac with this nice little iPad Pro stand here. Again, if this could be the size of an iMac, would be great. But for now, all I have to deal with is the iMac with my VESA mount. And if I'm saying VESA mount incorrectly, it should be Visa mount, VESA. So be it. You know, you get what I'm going at for this. So. All right, so what I basically did was kind of go into this program called Sharp 3D. It's on the iMac. You can get it on the iPad, and I basically designed out what I wanted to look like. So it looks like a clamshell laptop. From there, I basically came up with the design I wanted, and then I basically put it into my CNC machine. The program I use is called VCarve, I believe. And then this is my Bob CNC E4 Evolution um, CNC machine. And basically, what you're looking at now is just basically carving out. I think that's like a half-inch MDF I'm using, um, and basically it's just carving out the shape from my design. So this would be the bottom half of the iMac laptop. And again, I'm a big fan of CNC machines, so this is kind of come up with my design. Right here is again, it's just more of my. Oh, you know what? I've never showed anybody my CNC machine. So my CNC machine, I built this nice little enclosure around it to kind of cut down on some of the noise. That's where I do all my vacuuming and collecting dust. On the side over here, you can see the monitor that basically carves out the shape I want. And then down here, I basically put like a server type surge protector so everything is plugged in there so I can just easily turn on everything just by hitting the buttons. So again, I think I've done a lot of different designs, but I've never showed anybody my CNC machines. Oh, that's a Windows PC right there connected to the back of it. That's where all the magic happens, and basically I put in the coordinates that I want, and then voila, it starts carving out for me. So here it is. It's done. As you can see, I forgot to drill the hole for the actual plug, but overall, this was my first time testing it to kind of see how it works out, and it worked out perfectly. Um, this is what it looks like. I spray painted it nice blue. I tried to do my best to match the blue on the back of the iMac. I think I did a terrible job of it, but I wanted a stand that can hold my iPad mini right there with the keyboard. And then you also see on the side, I can also put my phone down there. I don't know if I have a video of that, but my phone goes in there, the keyboard, the mouse, etc., etc. So this is pretty much what it looks like. Just some still pictures so you can get a better idea what it looks like. And this is the iMac. Hope you like it.